Ba Taylor Swift an taigh aice ban radio air agus Chuala an oran Katy Perry.
Bhuaigh go ra oran Katy Perry, Díreach mar an oran aice. Chaidh Taylor Swift go taigh Katy out in Hollywood, California.
Taylor, McLaren, check us out. Good boy. We're gonna go to McDonald's. Then call and head up
Half a second ago, on later.
Joe, I'm here.
I miss a dollar, follow her.
Oh! 911! 911!
KFC in beef a sharp.
Cearsa yard, bhí sin na bhúnaigh.
It's still in KFC.
Ha mar fiche blian a déolalas acham.
Charters and a gavel Taylor Swift characters Ursula could Yunsi and Katy Perry.
Brihu, Gutch Katy Perry and Tonner Newt Taylor Swift.
I can ye urban Maggie or Hanan Shinner, son Gina Rutikin, Shaw Donnery Shaw.
Hi.
Can yellow.
Ardu, Hadu, Schmidt, the Vreen. Major Willy Wonka. He sues kind of pedestal. Cars in the house, fhein, hanging out, Cash Galauders and Taylor Swift, could you say Katy Perry?
Well, Vrish Katy Perry and lugging copyright.
Can ye shin urban Maggie or?
Pretty Taylor Swift and mharbhadh Katy Perry High Giri.
Ardu!
Ow.
Major Colonel Sanders, he sues kind of pedestal.
He said, Vasig.
Cars in the house, fhein, hanging behind Penis of Taylor Swift.
Or Rainy Rutigan Eva and Nay and Lay.
Max more pedestal.
Okay.
Be sure to dash him out of here so no call I didn't finish.
Cheery!
Nish, Major Colonel Sanders, Jahan finish thachair and a dragon terrain Taylor Swift in a nutshell.
Sir, you faicinn Goose Sawyer earn a 4K camera and CCTV at Katy Perry. Cuirt, Sir, you faicinn na chronin at Katy Perry. Agus hain Korean Charek at Taylor Swift.
Okay. Major Willy Wonka, Jahan finish thachair.
Oh, well. I know that Akam. Happy in your figures on it all. Hi, Hammer, Yamil and not.
Hootie. Go off with your blind dollar.
Hello, me. Hammer, fiche blian a déolalas acham. Fiche blian a déolalas acham. Fiche blian a déolalas acham.
Right, Judy, if Alice Manny Higgin to rain, Taylor Swift and Rickshaw. Major Willy Wonka. Oh, keep playing as a frizzan.
Shimmer un minute, son, Misha. Cheery.
Taylor Swift. I should now get none of makes a frizzan.
Yay! Good to see you. Rejected.